Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's check these ones out today. Sometimes the things we can't change end up changing us. It only takes one moment, one glance, one hello for magic to happen. Yes, yes. Get your body to a level where pharma companies can't profit off of it. Oh, yes, that's the goal. Focus on personal growth. Release any need for personal attention. I wish you could see you the way I see you. After getting what you manifested, ask for discipline to keep it and wisdom to multiply it. Yes, yes. And the cards today. Unhooking the past. There is nothing to regret when I learn from my past. Unraveling codependency. Only I have to feel good about my choices. Trust the process. Everything is as it should be, even though it might seem that everything is going wrong. Live life with an open heart. Don't resist, but thank each experience that guides you on your way. The road might be bumpy, but don't give up and don't lose faith. Complain, reframed. We all do it, whether verbally or in our heads. We complain. Complaining is a sneaky little downer that creeps its way into your psyche. And well, nothing good ever comes of it. Spend the day noticing how much you complain, both in your mind and to others. Just notice. When you feel a complaint creeping in, stop, breathe, then reframe. This traffic is terrible into I am so glad I get the time to listen to my favorite music. Turn I hate the rain into I look forward to the moment when the rain stops. Be honest with yourself about the situation while knowing there are nicer ways to talk to yourself and others. Alrighty, and the last card for today. Let's see what shadow card we get today. Shadow dance. When you move shadows, you discover your rhythm. Fluidity, movement, open. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.